Step one is to remove the deck. You have screws back here, here. You have to peel off the plastic a little bit. All right, so basically this is the cable that comes from the controller that previously it would connect straight to the cable, the battery cable. So what I've done is we've bypassed it with the battery balancer. The balancer has, for single motor, has 3 cables. There are 2 ends. The ends are for the battery, and then the out is for the controller, okay? So right now is only connected to the main battery. This is the external battery. As you can see, it's not connected. Scooter is on. See, the motor is operating. Now I'm gonna switch to the external battery. So now only the external battery is connected. This is the cable from the main battery. This is the external battery. And this is a smaller battery. I believe it's a 12 amp battery, but still 48 volt. But still operates. Mode 3. And now I've connected both the external battery and the main battery to the battery balancer. Turn the scooter on. As you can see, the scooter is running. There are no errors on the screen. So now the scooter is running on both batteries, and the way it works is the weaker battery is used first. Once both batteries are at the same voltage level, then both of them are used simultaneously to give power to the motor and the rest of the scooter. So now the challenge is find a way to route the cable out to the external battery placement as to where would I want to attach this battery, preferably to the handle. But the main thing is I have to find a way, see where I can feed the cable to the external battery. So stand by. Alright, so this battery balancer comes with 2 extension XT60 cables. So what I was able to do was to open this front module where all the cables go inside the deck, and you have to move around the cables a little bit with your finger to make room, but it squeezed in perfectly. All right, so here I pass the cable through. Just make sure you put in the correct in first. Let me get all, test the scooter, turn it on. So right now it's just running off the main battery. So as far as placement for the battery balancer, you have a light module in here. See this black box? This is loose. This is rather big, so it won't come out. So you can push it around a little bit. This is the battery balancer that I've used. Okay, so you can place it sideways. Basically, find a way to fit it in, without crimping the cable too much or putting any stress or severe bend on the cable, and that should do it. All right, folks, here's the final product. Here's the extension cable that's gone to the battery balancer. I wrapped it around with the other cable, brought it here. You can use shrink wrap if you want. I have some, but it wasn't thick enough to cover it. But basically, the idea is to have this available for easy removal. So this particular case, is attached to with the Velcro. There's like 3 Velcros. You can put it on the side, you can put it in the front. I'm just gonna leaning it against the latch screw. But other than that, I think it looks pretty good. So we'll take it for a test ride and let you know how it goes. All right, folks, here's the final version of this implementation. So here's the external battery. The cable is using the same input for the motor cable and other components into the deck. And as I said before, the battery is completely detachable. You can get an additional extension cable if you want to bring it higher, or if you want to run it, perhaps put it behind the seat. Again, this doesn't have to be connected all the time. You can have it disconnected. Just whenever you running out of power, you just plug it in and you're good to go. All right. And I think altogether this thing will run you probably like $250, about $150, $60 for the battery. Obviously, bigger battery, it's going to be more expensive. Again, the only criteria is you have to match the voltage, so it has to be a 48-volt battery. The amperage, again, that's where the price goes up. So you can go higher, you can go lower, but this is what I had that I was using before. So looks good.